class or on this session, I'm going to start a major unit of your second PU, and many people, many students will feel difficult. I don't know why, but this is a very easiest chapter. That is chapter 4. Chapter 4. What's the name of chapter 4? It is Principle of Inheritance and Variation. Many students' favorite chapter, right? So this is a chapter which is carrying the total 13 marks for your board exam. Okay. So principle of inheritance and variation, it mainly deals with the study of genes which are transferring from one generation to another generation, and how the genes plays an important role in the organism, and also the variations which are produced in the human body during, that is sexual reproduction. Okay. So the father of genetics, or the Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics is Gregor Mendel. He is the first person who studied on the principle of inheritance and also variation. So these two, inheritance and variation studies, are considered as genetics. Genetics means the process of studying of inheritance and also variation. That is called genetics, the subject where we study or where we mainly concentrate on inheritance, study of inheritance and variations, right? So the study of inheritance and variations is considered as genetics. And the father of genetics, I know each and every student know the father of genetics. Who is the father of genetics? Gregor Mendel is the father of genetics. Okay. So he proposed different theories, or he given many laws which are called as Mendel laws. They are called as Mendel laws. Okay. So what he studied in these laws, what he given in these laws means, he mainly studied on inheritance and variation. Okay. Coming to the meaning of inheritance. So genetics means it is a study of inheritance and variation. Then what is the meaning of inheritance? So the meaning of inheritance is, inheritance means the process of transfer of genes from one generation to next generation is called inheritance. In means inside, right? Heritance means transferring. So transferring of genes inside the family, in the same family, is called inheritance. Okay. So the process of transferring of genes from especially parents to their own progenies, that is called inheritance. The process of transfer of genes from parents to progenies is called inheritance. The process of transfer of genes from their parents to their own progenies, not to other progenies, that is called inheritance. Okay. And coming to the meaning of variation. What is the meaning of variation? So generally, you know the meaning of variations. Variations means difference, or other. I am different from her and I am different from someone else. Okay. So variations means differences. So in each and every organism has some variations. Not each and every organism is not similar to the another organism, because all the organisms have variations. Okay. The meaning of variations is very simple. It means the difference in the organism is called variation. The difference from the progenies, the difference of the progenies from their parents. The progenies will possess some of the new characters which are not present in their parents. So those are called variations. Okay, so variations are nothing but the new characters the new characters which are not present in their parents, and they are very new characters and they are produced in the new progenies. They are called variations. Okay, so this is the meaning of inheritance and variation. The process of transferring of genes from parents to progenies is called inheritance, and the new characters which are not present in the parents but they are present in their progenies, that is called variations. So the study of inheritance and variation is called genetics, and the father of genetics is Gregor Mendel, and he given many laws, and those laws are called Mendel laws. Okay, so this is about the meaning of genetics, inheritance, and also variation.